We see the word economic behaviorist, economic behavior being studied, even sociology in any industry, really, to understand whether it's generations, cultural norms, or how to best approach an idea and bring it forth. I'm interested, how did you become, a humor behaviorist in events?
I have always been interested in psychology, and it started as a personal interest and passion of mine. And then, when I went to my first university, I studied psychology there as well, and I wrote the thesis in cognitive linguistics. And then, throughout the years, I was just interested in learning more about human behavior and mind. Then I got into events, and I always say, it didn't come to my mind immediately that there is this connection between events and psychology. But at some point, I realized that we don't do enough in events to understand how people work, because we are experts in all other things, in all other elements of event design and event marketing, but we don't really apply a lot of insights and a lot of findings from sciences like neuroscience, psychology, and behavioral science to improve event planning, to improve experiences. And this is where I realized that it's a niche that I'm very much interested in. It's a field that I can develop, and this is how it started.
It's so interesting. You attend so many events. I do too. I just came from one. And there is a psychology to it. The attendee, the stress, the anxiety, the excitement, the boredom. There's all these emotions. I've seen this before. The kind of routine. Oh, this is something new. I don't know if I like it. The seating is different. What is this property like? What is this convention center like? Oh, the name tags didn't used to be like this. Oh, they switched it. They used to have the general session in the morning. Now it's in the afternoon. They used to give us breakfast. Now they don't, or they never did, and now they do. And then the event planner, the psychology behind it. You're shooting for good reviews, good comments. You want to hit the bullseye with regard to what your aspirations are as far as educating people, informing people, having them network and connect. There's a lot of moving parts